Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my next video on words of wisdom. And today I have a personality who has made India proud not once, many times, and lately in Tokyo. She is Saikom Mirabai Chanu. From nearly quitting weightlifting to Olympics silver, I am here with Mirabai Chanu's inspiring story. Mirabai Chanu made India and every citizen of India proud by the silver medal that she won at the 2020 Summer Olympics in Women's 49 kg weightlifting championship. The youngest of six siblings living in Nongpok, Kakching, a village 45 kilometers south of Manipur's capital, Imphal, Mirabai displayed great strength as a kid. While picking firewood with her siblings, she used to lift a lot more than what her elder brother could. She didn't know about weightlifting at that time, but her mother saw the talent. Mirabai wanted to be an archer, but when she read about Kunjarani Devi, another iconic weightlifter from Manipur, the thought of being a weightlifter first crossed her mind. Her mother, who was aware of her child's qualities, instantly agreed, and Mirabai's journey as a weightlifter began. Given her strength at a young age, it all started well for the Manipuri weightlifter who shot to fame when she won a silver medal at the 2014 Commonwealth Games. Success at such an event at the international levels propels an Indian athlete into the limelight, and going into Rio Olympics, she was considered a medal contender. But Mirabai couldn't live up to expectations. In fact, she couldn't even complete the event. The failure almost became too much to take for the weightlifter who was just 21 at the time. Injuries didn't help her cause, and post Rio, she was depressed, contemplating quitting the sport. I kept thinking why I failed, despite working so hard, and was questioning myself. I was really disappointed and completely broken after Rio. I was so low that I had to seek the help of SAI psychologists. Mirabai had told reporters during an interaction before the games. After talking to a psychologist, I understood that it was my first Olympics and the pressure got to me. Slowly, I was able to focus on training again, Chanu added. Mirabai's problems weren't just mental, and she knew she had a lot of work to be done. In the year after Rio, she got back to the drawing board. I changed my training method, worked on my technique. In clean and jerk, we identified what part we needed to work on and strengthened that body part and movement. She said of the physical changes. Here we have a picture of Mirabai with her coach. Mentally, I tried not to take too much pressure on myself before competitions and treat the competitions as different from training. She added, it seemed to work. In 2017, Mirabai returned to the highest level, this time at the World Championships. Lifting 109 kgs in clean and jerk, the part which she had worked on, Mirabai's stunned the world by winning gold and became the first Indian weightlifting champion in over 20 years. After the setback at Rio, the World Championship gold was a much needed validation of her talent. There was no looking back after that. She turned the silver at the 2014 Commonwealth Games into gold at the 2018 event with a total lift of 196 kgs. At the 2019 World Championship, there was heartbreak again for Mirabai, who finished fourth, but this time her confidence didn't take a hit. Having previously overcome failures, Mirabai knew her way out of disappointments. In 2020, Mirabai bettered her world championship mark of 201 kgs to lift 203 kgs in national championships before pushing that to 205 kgs at the Asian Championships where she won the bronze. But in Tashkent, she did something that truly immortalized her in the sports history. She lifted 119 kgs in clean and jerk to set a world record. Mirabai was close to realizing her full potential, and there was just one final hurdle: the Olympics, a stage of her biggest disappointments. But at Tokyo, Mirabai was relaxed and calm, a far cry from Rio, where she was overcome by nerves. After a good performance in the snatch, where she lifted 87 kgs, her medal never seemed in doubt. She maintained her level in clean and jerk to win silver. Her tale of redemption was complete. In 5 years, Mirabai had gone from heartbreak at Rio Olympics to almost quitting the sport to the Olympic podium. Mirabai always had the talent, something which even her mother had spotted at a young age. But the Manipuri weightlifter added the other necessary elements through sheer hard work to channelize her talent and ensure it was rewarded at the highest level. Every athlete that wins an Olympic medal is inspirational in one way or the other, but the contrast in Mirabai's two Olympic performances adds more credit to her remarkable turnaround. A wonderful tribute, we can say, a gift from this man who has made such a beautiful piece of sandwork. Let us see what Mirabai Chanu had to say after winning the silver. She says, "It's really a dream come true for me. I would like to dedicate this medal to my country and would like to thank the billion prayers of all Indians which were with me during this journey. I like to thank my family, especially my mother, for a lot of sacrifices and believing in me. Also, special thanks to our government for supporting me, Ministry of Sports, SAI, IOA, Weightlifting Federation of India, Railways, OGQ, sponsors, and my marketing agency, IOS, for their continuous support in this journey. I would like to give special thanks to my coach Vijay Sharma sir and support staff for their continuous hard work, motivation and training. Thank you once again, entire weightlifting fraternity and all my countrymen. Jai Hind. Congratulations Mirabai Chanu for winning the silver medal in 49 kg weightlifting. Among many awards that she received, and the rewards, which included cash prize, are many, but the main national awards that she received was of great honor. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, highest sporting honor of India, she got in the year 2018. Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian award of India, was also received by her in 2018. Here is a picture of Mirabai Chanu sitting with the group of people who received the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. We can see Virat Kohli also sitting with her.
Chanu Saikom Mirabai.
I'm sure this video was inspirational. Mirabai Chanu used to belong to a family who used to collect firewood, and now she has brought laurels to the country, made every citizen of India proud. She won the silver at the Tokyo Olympics. This is a moment of great pride, and we need to learn from her journey that even if she had lost at Rio, in fact, she was not even able to complete the event. She did not give up. She worked on her weaknesses, strengthened her body parts. Mentally, she made herself strong. And see how she has come back and won so many awards. This is truly inspirational. Never give up. Always see it through. We'll meet next Wednesday with another inspirational character. Till then, goodbye. Take care.